Yeah. So let's unbox and see what is this mystery box. Yes. Due to a lot of power cuts in the recent times, our smart TVs might go affected because of these power cuts. So this is the UPS which we bought just now on Amazon now. Now let's unbox and see what is there inside for this. And by the way, this supports 3 outputs which you can use it for your dish cable connection plus your smart TV plus router. What does it say? Overload protection, super fast charging, DVR support, voltage regulator, it has an auto restart, it has a charging time up to 6 to 8 hours, and then it has got an off mode charging plus pole start function as well. Yeah, these are the 3 outputs which I was talking about. Supports up to 600 volt ampere. You cannot use it for printers. That's one disadvantage, but of course that's not for what we have bought for. Let's look at the UPS. It's small, compact, and it's from Geonix company, right? Yeah. So these are the 3 outputs. It's BIS certified, as you can see. And let's use it now for our smart TV. Right now the power is gone. Yeah, a lot of power cuts. Now let's switch it on. I've connected the 3 devices. Now I've connected the stabilizer input to this UPS. Stabilizer has got both setup box, of course smart TVs. Power would go from the stabilizer. Though they say that stabilizer is not required for a smart TV, it's better if we have a stabilizer. The high voltage, if it crosses the inside equipment, might go for it also. It's always better to have a stabilizer. This UPS costed me less than 2,000, but then I thought it is worth where it can give me 15 minutes of backup power. Perfect! Yay! That's perfect. Power is gone, but still you have a smart TV with
ఎవరురా నువ్వు ఇంత టాలెంటెడ్ ఉన్నావు
Super. So you can watch without your TV getting off for 15 minutes.
Super!